Good morning students. Yesterday we were reading the chapter number 4. So today we will complete our chapter. So Florence was allowed by her parents to go for the training. So news of the Crimean War and the horrible state of British hospitals reached Florence's ears, and so she set out to the battlefields, taking with her a team of 38 nurses. So there was a Crimean War. The horrible state of British hospital reached Florence's ears, means she listened about the war, and she sent to the battlefields a team of 38 nurses. In 1854 Scutari. This was the first time women were officially allowed to serve in the British Army. So it was the first time when the women were gone to serve the British armies. When you sit here, thousands are dying because of our unsanitary hospitals. Now Florence is saying that while you sit here, thousands are dying, means thousand number of persons are dying because of the poor conditions of the hospitals. Every day at the Scutari hospital was a fight for Florence. A lot of the male doctors hated the way she ordered them around, but none of them dared silence her. Every day, Florence ordered about the conditions to improve the conditions of the hospital. Male doctors were having no courage to oppose her. But Florence's reports were taken seriously by the government. They sent a team to inspect the conditions at the Scutari hospital. The team discovered that the hospital was built on a sewer and that the patients were all drinking contaminated water. So to control these conditions, the team discovered that the hospital has been built on a sewer and the patients are drinking the unclean water or contaminated water. Florence had tackled an important problem that more soldiers died due to disease than on the battlefield because of how unclean the hospitals were. Now one more information was there that the soldiers were dying because of the disease, not because of the battlefield. Next is she fought for the cause of better sanitation in hospitals both at home and abroad. Almost at once the death began to fall. So Florence fought for improving the conditions in the hospitals both at the home and in the foreign. Almost at once the death rate began to fall, means the death rate began to decrease. People wrote poems about her and letters about to her. Hundreds gathered to see her, but Florence did not pay attention to the crowd. Now people were encouraged because of her good work, and they wrote the letters and poems about her. When Florence returned from the Crimean War, she was given a hero's welcome. When Florence returned from that war, she was given a hero's welcome. One person she did pay attention to was Queen Victoria. She gave attention to the person that is Queen Victoria. In 1856, the two met and talked about improving the state of England's healthcare system. They both tried to improve the healthcare system of England. You only have to look at this. The numbers are true. She is saying that you only have to take care of these things. These numbers are true. Florence soon went on to show that there was a huge decrease in deaths after the hospitals were cleaned from 42.7% to a mere 2.2%. Now Florence is saying that after improving the conditions in the hospitals, now the death rate fall from the 42.7 to 2.2%. But sadly, Florence soon fell very sick. She had contracted a bacterial infection from the hospital at the Scutari, an infection that brought her fever, sadness, and extreme pain for a long time. Now Florence herself felt fever, sadness, and pain. So she was feeling very sick, and she had caused a bacterial infection due to the hospitals. Yet Florence continued to fight for England's healthcare system. She wrote books and nurses to help the poorest of poor and pushed for better healthcare for everyone. Now Florence continued to fight. Even she was sick, but she continued to fight for improving the healthcare system of England. She wrote the books and sent the nurses to help the poorer people. Florence Nightingale died at the age of 90. She died at the age of 90. Her work to improve hospital sanitation and healthcare revolutionized the field of nursing and changed how patients were treated all over the world. Her hard work or her good work has made the people change to treat the patients good in all over the world. Good night, you old bird. You are the reason I am still alive. Now here a man is saying to Florence that that good night, you old bird. You are the reason. Means because of Florence that man is still alive because she treated her very well. So our chapter is completed. I am giving you word meaning, supposite word. You have to write it on fair notebook. Thanks a lot.